Hello everyone and welcome back to ITT OLT MCQ series. This is the third video of MS Excel and the questions we are going to discuss are from 21 to 30. So without wasting our time, let's start. Question 21. In Excel, dash returns the average of the absolute deviations of data points from their mean. Answer is A. AVEDEV. Question 22. In Excel, dash error message is given if the formula contains a blank cell. Answer is D. Hashtag div/0. Question 23. In Excel, dash error message is given if the formula contains text that Excel doesn't recognize. The answer is A. Hashtag name ? Question 24. To manually calculate all the formulas in a worksheet, press dash. Answer is F9. Question 25. To have column and rows headings visible while scrolling the worksheet, dash features is used. Answer is B. Freezing panes. Question 26. If a cell is formatted as an accounting in Excel, zero values are shown as dash. Answer is C. Dashes. By default, MS Excel aligns error values in the dash. Answer is B. Center. Question 28. If cells A2, A3, B2 and B3 in a worksheet are merged, the cell reference for the merged cell is answer A. A2. Question 29. Which of the following is not a chart type in Excel? The answer is D. Row chart. Question 30. In MS Excel, a 3D column chart uses three axes: a horizontal axis, a vertical axis, and a dash axis. Answer is A. Depth axis. Thank you everyone, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest notifications from my channel. Thank you.